Introduction to Trello and email integration.
Integrating Trello with your email can streamline project management by ensuring you never miss important task updates. By automating notifications and updates between Trello boards and your inbox, you can keep your team informed and your workflow efficient. In this guide, you'll learn step by step how to set up these automations for a more connected experience.
Choosing the right integration tool.
Several tools can link Trello with email, including Trello's built-in automation tool called Butler and third-party services like Zapier or IFTTT. Decide which tool fits your needs. Butler is great for basic rules within Trello, while Zapier and IFTTT provide more flexibility and integration options with various email services.
Setting up email notifications with Butler.
To create automated email notifications in Trello, open your board and click the Automation button. Use Butler to set triggers, such as when a card is moved or a due date is approaching. Choose the Send an Email Notification action and customize the message, recipients, and conditions to match your project's needs.
Using Zapier to sync Trello and email.
Zapier allows you to build zaps, automations that connect Trello to your preferred email platform. Start by creating a zap with Trello as the trigger, like a new card being added. Select your email app as the action, configure the recipient and content, and enable the zap to send updates directly when tasks progress.
Maximizing productivity with automated updates.
Automating updates ensures your team stays on track, without the need for manual reminders. Test your integrations to make sure emails arrive as intended. Tweak the settings to avoid information overload. Only send updates for important changes. With Trello and email working together, you'll experience smoother, more effective project management.